guys, so this video is definitely more recent. I hope that you all enjoy it. Thank you so much for 11K subscribers. It's crazy to me that people have still been subscribing even though I have not been uploading. I'm down bad. I gotta get my motivation back. Like, that's literally all that it is. Once I lost motivation, it became hard to just upload how I usually upload. But yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. This is basically like a few days in my life doing entrepreneur and side hustle stuff. I'm about to start working. I have 3 orders to fulfill, but I'm only gonna do 2 because one of them actually came in at like 1 a.m. So I'll do that later. I just have to fill 62, 50 for one order and 10 for the other. Business has been picking back up and I'm very excited to say that. I'm gonna really have to like go hard with promoting my other shades because I'm gonna be honest, I'm tired of just getting new gloss orders. Like, I really want my other glosses to sell as much as the new glosses sell. So I'm gonna have to do like some heavy promoting on those glosses because they're so pretty and I feel like there's no reason for them to be, you know, not selling for real. Like, I don't want to just, you know, offer new glosses. I want to have a variety of glosses, but I want them to sell. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do some heavy promoting because your girl is tired, okay? I'm grateful, I'm very grateful and appreciative, but you know, you get tired of doing the same thing over and over. Like, literally every order comes in, it's a black wine tube order and it's the new glosses. Like, you know, you just want to switch it up, do something different. I'm gonna fill a few of each on camera with you guys, and then I'm going to get some content for Instagram. This is what we have so far. I'm done with these, which y'all can see the tops are on. So this is what I have left to fill. I gotta hurry up because it's about to be 8 o'clock. I'm getting lit tonight and I started working late, so I didn't have time to cook my dinner, and I want to go get some Zaxby since I don't have time to cook, and Zaxby closes at 10. So I gotta hurry up. I'm trying to ship these off tomorrow, and I'm actually not coming back home tonight, so I'm not gonna have time to, you know, get it done. So I'd rather have it done tonight, so once I leave my destination in the morning, I could go ahead and drop these off, you know? You feel me? I hope y'all understand what I'm saying. Bruh, I'm gonna end up having to leave and then come back because I gotta eat something because I don't want to throw up. But yeah, I'm gonna get some content for my Instagram, so I think I'm gonna do it different this time since I have such a huge order of 52. That's huge. So I'm thinking, if you follow my Instagram, this is how I usually do it, like one of each, sometimes 2. But I'm thinking I'm gonna just do it by like colors maybe for this wholesale order and fill the 4. I think that'll be cool. Follow the Instagram, show love to the content. This bundle is still available. Let me get back to work. I'm definitely wasting time. Your girl is done. We got some content Bunch of filming videos. I gotta take some pictures once I get back in the house. But yeah, we got the content for Instagram and some content for YouTube. 50 warranty poster order, all new glosses. So once I get back in, I'm gonna do this 10 wholesale. So I just went outside, so got my jacket, my coat on. I got the dress under, sweats, and my dusty Ugg boots. Real tacky, but we got the food. We secured the food, okay? So I'm about to eat. Do y'all have a Zaxby's where y'all live? If y'all do y'all love Zaxby's? Because I love Zaxby's, okay? That is my favorite place to eat. Let me show y'all what I got though. Put y'all on real quick. I wish I would have got the basket of fries. Sometimes I'll get the basket of fries. This Zaxby's is okay. This is the one that's closer to me, but I like going to the one that's like further down because you get more fries. So this is what I get. I get the wings and things. I love hot wings, so I get the tongue torch wings. And then my shorty put me on to the strawberry lemonade, so that's what I get. Y'all, I'm so hyped right now. I just did the best parallel park ever. Like, I didn't have to struggle or anything. I just slid right on in. So I got the orders done, and y'all can kind of see on here right there. So I'm gonna drop those off once I leave from here in the morning or early afternoon. I don't know. Tomorrow we outside. We got to make some money. I actually got 2 orders tonight. Like while I was fulfilling those orders, I received 2 more orders. I think one is like a sample order, and she ordered some retail lip scrubs because it came up to be like kind of high. And the other person ordered some jars, 8-ounce jars. So we got some more work to do. And then I also still have to fulfill that 20 wine tube order. So it's picking back up. This is what I've been praying for, my business to, you know, pick back up. I don't know if I showed y'all, but I got multiple videos and I took some pictures of the wine tubes and stuff like that. Very pretty. So I'm gonna go back to posting, but I will see y'all tomorrow, probably when I'm back outside, and I'm gonna just take y'all along with me while I do my other job, my side hustle. I didn't vlog yesterday. I didn't do anything yesterday. I'm a horrible entrepreneur, okay? So right now I'm at Krispy Kreme. I was craving some donuts. I didn't eat anything for breakfast, so I'm getting some donuts. I got some glazed donuts, and I'm about to try one today. Lattes, frozen lattes. Hopefully it's good. And then I'm going to drop my orders off today. I'm not really a horrible entrepreneur because I'm still within my time frame, you know? So I'm good. But I was supposed to ship them off yesterday. But look, your girl was, yeah. Your girl was, yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. All right, we got the drink. I got a small. Hold on. This might actually be better than Starbucks. I'm not gonna hold you. Bruh. That is good. That is really good. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting that. And then I got the 6 donuts. I came down to the one that I used to go to. So I know I'm good here. Like, they'll get scanned in for sure. So we got our first order, $11 from New First Walk right there. About to drop it off. This is a meet at door order, which I absolutely hate because I hate talking to people, but let's go get this money. $11 is good. So that order is dropped off. As y'all can see, I'm in something totally different. First day being back out working. I've been busy though. I've been busy. Like I told y'all, business has picked up. It's a little slow this week, so gotta keep promoting so I can get some more orders. But I think I received like 5 orders, wholesale and retail. So I had to, you know, fulfill those, and I have those in the back seats. So I'm gonna drop those off now. but if I get an order on the way to dropping those off and it's good enough, I'll take it, because we hustling, we on the grind, we gotta make this money. Okay, back out, and I got an order for like $13 and some change, and it's the Walgreens order going over there. I like doing the shopping orders. They're good money. They're usually good money when they come from Uber. The DoorDash ones, I would say the best shopping orders would have to be the Target ones for DoorDash, but for Uber Eats, they usually have some good shopping pay orders. So if one pop up, I usually try to take it. This is what it looks like. I don't know why it's like not focusing for real, but yeah, this is what the person ordered. So it actually doesn't look too bad. I don't know. Let's go inside. So got the Gatorade Lemon Lime 4-pack right here. Boom. Item found. And then the 6-pack Ocean Spray be right here. And they just want one of these. Got that. And Capri Sun right here. I'm gonna assume that one is it because it says Pacific Cooler on it. So that must be it. And they only wanted one of those. And then the Ocean Spray right in front of me, Cran Apple, they want 2 of these. Enter the quantity, 2, done, and then some ointment. Okay, so I'm out of the store, as y'all can see. Now, Uber Eats, you have to take a picture of the receipt. So I'm about to do that real quick, and then they'll give me the address so I can go ahead and deliver it. So now I'm 4 minutes away. And this is a leave at door. We love the leave at doors, okay? I do not like meeting these people for real. I'm not a people person, you know. I just want to drop this stuff off and go on about my business. So let's go ahead and drop this off. All right, so we got our next order. About to go to Outback. And this one is $16.66. I think that's what it said. I should have it on the screen because I did remember to screenshot it. Yeah, I do not feel like going all the way down here, but that's $16.60. Even though it's 10 miles, it's okay because those are highway miles. So I'll get there in no time. If it's like extremely packed and there's no parking spots for me to park and wait, I'm not going to wait. I'm just gonna leave. So let's go and see, because this one is pretty good. So I'm at Outback and I just added on another order from Red Robin, $9.50. So this is like a $20+ order, okay? So now I'm just waiting for them to come over here. I think I've only been here for like 2 minutes, so not too long. And at this Outback, you do not have to get out your car. They want you to stay in the car and they'll come to you. But yeah, so once I get this order, I'm going to Red Robin. We got the food, Red Robin and Outback. And these bags are too big to fit in my hot bag. I only have one small hot bag from DoorDash, so yeah. Dropping this one off first and then hers. So I am currently at my spot. I had stopped by my grandma's house. After I dropped off those 2 orders because I was kind of close by. So tell me why I'm looking at my Uber Eats app, right? So I'm not thinking about the tips at first. I'm just thinking like I done did 3 orders and I made $59. How is this possible? So then I go to the tips, right? And tell me why those last 2 orders that I dropped off, that stack order, it was what, 26, it was 26.16 before. It became 45.86. I'll put it on the screen so y'all can see. So the 2 customers, they ended up tipping higher. Bruh. I'm so hyped right now. Like, I only did 3 orders today. So literally, you never know with like doing Uber Eats, because even though the tips can go down, they can tip bait you, they can also tip higher. That's why I love Uber Eats. I would choose Uber Eats over DoorDash. Like, I have my DoorDash app open, haven't did no orders for DoorDash because it's trash, bro. But yeah, like, I'm hype about that. So nothing is really coming in. I think I'm about to go home and make my food that I got from my grandma, and I'm about to relax. I only have one order to complete, and I got that yesterday, so I'll probably do that on Monday. Yeah, because what is this? $12.12 for 14.3 miles. Hell no. Come on now. This will probably be the end of the video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. I really have to get back on my A game with YouTube. That's why I feel like I'm slacking at is with YouTube now. I've been doing pretty good with my Instagram. I've been getting orders, not every day, but they've been coming in pretty good. And I have been slacking this week and a little bit last week with DoorDash and Uber Eats, but I'm still pretty good with that. It's just YouTube that I have to get back, you know, get back right with. So yeah, if you're still watching to the end, I appreciate you. Leave a smiley face emoji in the comments. And also, if you do DoorDash or Uber Eats, let me know. How is it in your market? Is it good? Because it's pretty decent in my market. It's pretty decent. If you're only doing DoorDash and you can do Uber Eats too, make sure you multi-app, because the more apps you have, the more money you're able to make. Facts. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.